How to verify your age in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how you can verify yourself in Roblox. So in order to verify your age, the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your Roblox application, and once your Roblox application launches you will need to click onto this more option at the bottom right. So simply click on this more option, and from here scroll down to find settings. So choose the settings option and it will give you these following menu. Now in this particular menu you will need to choose the first option, that is account info. So simply click onto the account info option and it will show you your details like your display name, username, phone number and email address as well. So from here you can see that these are your personal details that you have filled yourself, like the age group and birthday as well. So in order to verify this you need to click onto this verify my age button, and by clicking verify my age you will be completing an ID verification process operated by the third party operator for Roblox. So from here you will need to click onto this verify my age option and it will take a while to load, and then from this particular dialog box you will need to click onto this start session, and before that you should prepare a valid ID like a driver's license, passport, iCard or residence permit. So click onto start session and then your session will be started, and you will see this screen that says have your valid government issued ID ready. Make sure you are in a well lit room and be prepared to take a selfie and photos of your ID. So all you will need to do is simply take the required photos, the first one for yourself and the second one of your ID. And once you will do that, you will be successfully verified of the required age. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.